Imagine creating a professional YouTube thumbnail that looks like it was designed by a pro in less than 1 minute. No Photoshop, no graphic design skills, and no spending hours trying different colors, fonts, and layouts. Today, I'm showing you Thumbs.ai, an AI-powered thumbnail generator that's designed to help creators get more clicks and save a ton of time. Hey Tech fam, welcome to Liklet Tech, where technology is understood, not just reviewed. If smart tech decisions matter to you, so support us by liking and share the video, subscribing to the channel, and hit the bell icon, because every video here is made to keep you future ready. Let's dive in. If you're a YouTuber, you already know that your thumbnail is often more important than your video title. A great thumbnail can dramatically improve your click-through rate and bring in more views. But creating eye-catching thumbnails isn't easy. That's where Thumbs.ai comes in. It's an AI tool built specifically for YouTube creators that generates high-converting thumbnails using simple text prompts, existing images, or even YouTube video links. Let's look at what makes this tool interesting. Text to thumbnail. Simply describe your video idea, and the AI generates multiple thumbnail concepts within seconds. For example, if your video is about how I made $1,000 with AI, just enter that idea, and the AI creates bold, clickable thumbnail designs automatically. Image to thumbnail. Already have a photo? Upload it, and Thumbs.ai can redesign it into a professional YouTube thumbnail with better composition, effects, and text placement. Style. Cloning. One of the coolest features is style matching. You can analyze popular YouTube channels or reference images, and the AI generates thumbnails inspired by that visual style while keeping your own content unique. AI face expressions. Need a shocked, excited, or surprised face? Thumbs.ai includes an expression lab that can enhance facial expressions, making thumbnails more engaging without requiring advanced editing skills. CTR prediction. Before publishing, the platform can even estimate how strong your thumbnail is likely to perform with an AI-based CTR rating. It's like getting a second opinion before uploading your video. The good news is that you can start for free. The free plan includes trial credits so you can test the platform before paying. If you create videos regularly, premium starts at around $11 per month, while higher plans provide more monthly credits, commercial usage rights, priority processing, and advanced AI models. What I like: very beginner-friendly interface, fast thumbnail generation, style matching with top creators, AI-powered face enhancements, useful for YouTube Shorts and other social media platforms. Things to keep in mind. Not every AI-generated thumbnail will be perfect on the first try. Sometimes you'll want to regenerate or make small edits to get exactly the look you're after. But compared to designing everything manually, it can save a significant amount of time. If you found this video valuable, or you simply enjoy diving deep into the latest gadgets, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. This is Liklet Tech, where innovation meets experience. We'll be back soon with more cutting-edge tech and honest insights. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring the future.